Alex, where's Winnipeg? Alexander. Where's Winnie? There she is. Yeah. Does Winnie make you happy? Oh, yes. You have a messy face. Mm-hmm. Are you all done eating your peanut butter and jelly? Do you want another bite? You want to pet Winnie? Yeah. Is she your baby? Every dinner, this is where Winnipeg sits. And every dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. More Winnie. Yeah. You're going to knock yourself over. Here, do you want a bite? Peanut butter and jelly? No, all done. Sorry. Would you like some water? Oh, yes, okay. And where's Winnipeg? There she is. Is that good water? Oh, goodness. Nice getting it to your mouth, buddy. You just gonna chew on it? Yeah, probably. Oops. Whoops. And there she is again. Yeah.